Hello, everyone. Wonders they say will never end, right? Every day, Nigeria will show you another thing more and more and more. It's like in this Dele Farotimi's case, they are very brazen and very unashamed to actually portray to the world that all the things that Mr. Dele Farotimi said in his book is actually what it is. Because I don't understand. Today is supposed to be his bill hearing. And then it's another story. Look at the headline here. Magistrate court claims ruling on Dele Farotimi's bail application missing, left at home. As in, I don't know who it is that they think that they want to break by keeping him behind bars or keeping him in prison. Keeping him incarcerated from every other person and all of that. Some are you see some of the remarks on social media. He's going to spend Christmas in jail. He's going, as in, are you for real? As in, are you for real? As far as the Farotimi, he has said this several times before. With those of us that are free, we are the ones that are really the prisoners, abducted, mentally abducted. So keeping him there, you think he's going to do what? But the thing is that he has not only written a book, he has become the main character in depicting how criminal the Nigerian justice system indeed is. The court is slated to give its ruling on the bail application filed by Farotimi today, Friday morning. The Ekiti State Magistrate Court in Ado Ekiti on Friday morning shockingly claimed that its ruling on the bail application filed by human rights lawyer Dele Farotimi is missing. No shame, nothing. The judiciary is available for the highest bidder, a willing tool of oppression to be used by anyone, a willing tool of injustice, and it's being used and it's being depicted. That was why the Nigeria police was assigned to come to Lagos to come and abduct Mr. Dele Farotimi and took him all the way to Ekiti, because in Ekiti, Afe Babalola, understand, as reported, has power that he can use. What a shame. What an absolute shame. You understand? This is blatant, abuse of that judicial power that we are seeing here. The criminality that is in the Nigerian justice system, being played directly out here. The court was slated to give its ruling on the bail application filed by Farotimi today. So this was earlier on when Sahara reporters, were reporting what was going on. However, Sahara reporters gathered that the sitting magistrate claimed that he could not find his ruling and adjourned the hearing again for a short period. The magistrate and his ruling notes is missing, and for this he's taking a break. A source inside the court sitting told Sahara reporters. You can just see how very unserious they show themselves to be, and how they show up themselves to be that they're being controlled. You understand? Controlled by forces beyond the law that should be the main thing that is controlling them. The kangaroo magistrate expressed embarrassment for appearing in court without the ruling on Dele Farotimi's bail application, claiming it had been left at home. A truly astonishing turn of events today. Free Dele Farotimi now. Prominent human rights activist Omoyele Sowore also tweeted. Sowore had earlier said that the magistrate received a call while delivering the ruling, which made him to stop. Sowore said the kangaroo magistrate, while delivering the ruling on the applications regarding the eligibility of a senior advocate of Nigeria to appear before a magistrate court and Dele Farotimi's bail, received a phone call notification and promptly adjourned to his chambers to answer it. And he added, free Dele Farotimi now. There were also some this thing where people that had come out, lawyers that had come out to stand for Dele Farotimi. Some of them they were told that they were too big, that they should not appear in this thing. But their own son is busy filing suits all over the country against a man that is incarcerated, that can't be out there. They are busy jumping up and down from one television station to another, speaking on behalf of the Afe Babalola and all of that. What are they afraid of? Allow Dele Farotimi to come out. Only him alone is enough for everyone that they can bring out, because truth is a weapon that will always stand and be there for people. Farotimi was arrested following a petition by legal luminary Chief Afe Babalola. Sahara reporters learned that the trial court pronounced this ruling to grant Farotimi's bail application on Friday morning. This comes barely after the same court initially denied the human rights lawyer constitutional freedom. The charge suit, now MAD 1476C 2024, pits the Ekiti State Commissioner of Police as the complainant against Farotimi as the defendant. Some of the charges read that you, Dele Farotimi, sometimes in 2024, authored, published, and circulated your book titled Nigeria and its Criminal Justice System, which was received and read all over the world, including Ekiti, within the Ekiti Magistrate District, wherein you stated at page 9 of the book that Are Afe Babalola corrupted the Supreme Court to procure a fraudulent judgment in the service of his clients, which is likely to cause fear and harm to the public or disturb the public with knowing or having reason to believe that the statement is false and thereby committed an offense contrary to and punishable under Section 59, subsection 1 of Criminal Code Act. This is just an absolute shame. That you, Dele Farotimi, mail sometimes in 2024, author, they kept to repeat that Are Babalola, Afe Babalola, Oru, Daramola, Olu Faro, and the law offices of Afe Babalola and Co. Emmanuel Chambers compromised the Supreme Court and the remaining semblance of integrity it might have had when they went back to the Supreme Court and got that court to swim in the sewer of corruption and shameful self-abnegation, which is likely to cause fear and alarm to the public or disturb the public in knowing or having reason to believe that the statement is false and thereby committed an offense. I don't know what is Nigerian police business into whole this. Although you can see the like they say, is it the voice of Jacob and the hand of Esau? You can see all of that is playing around. One of the things they failed to realize when they were doing all of this nonsense was the fact that in Ekiti State, criminal defamation, it's not a crime. It's civil. Go and sort it out. It used to, in some places it is, they use that, but most of this it has been outlawed that no, if anyone feels they've been defamed, you can't bring the state. It's not a criminal offense, it's a civil offense. I defame you, go to the court, sue him. Nobody is saying that Afe Babalola should not sue Dele Farotimi. He has every right to do it. He should do that. He should go ahead and do that. But to sit down in this criminal manner, in this criminal manner that has been used by the state police and also the courts to keep someone down and actually show that the justice system of Nigeria is actually criminal. It's really unbelievable, and it's just a shame that they're not seeing actually what they're doing. But there sometimes is that hubris that they talk about. People just get into a speed. I want to show him, and they end up showing up themselves. We'll continue to demand free Dele Farotimi now.